boys from TNG. We would like to say thank you very much for the beautiful day. Thanks God for today, lovely day. We here with all the teams RSC from different countries. Thank you Maori community for invitation. Every year thanks for your kindness, supporting, protection, and respectful to everyone from different countries. Special thanks for our company, turners and growers, all the managers and management from TNG. For opportunity we come in here, working under our company. We have a blessed from company, our family. Yeah, we starting from the lowest, but now our families, we going up. Thank you very much TNG for your help and love. Thanks for your support and you look after us at work. Accommodation, everything, everywhere. We pray the company going bigger and bigger. Thank for all teams from Solomon, Vanuatu and PNG for coming and your work hard. Keep it up, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much. God bless you all. Manuya Maya Soifua. Engamana. Thank you. Engareo. Thank you. Engawefa. Tenaku.